Thank you for joining me today once again. This is a continuation video. Career part 1 to 4 has been explained in previous videos, still on Berufe in Bureau on Secretariat, that is profession in office on secretarial positions. That is, if you're interested, this is a career you want to look into. If you haven't subscribed, please do. If you have, thank you very much. Don't forget to share with families and friends. It can help someone who doesn't understand the language. In today's video, I'll be discussing about the French-Prussian correspondent thing. That is foreign language correspondent. The duration is 2 to 4 years. 2 to 4 years, and you can take it full-time or part-time. You need your intermediate school leaving certificate, that is your Mittlere Bildungsabschluss, to come into this career path. What do? They take on tasks that requires knowledge of foreign language in the country. They also check delivery notes, invoices of shipments. If you are interested in this, you can work in the shipping area. For foreign receipts, foreign invoices, they find jobs there. They do translation work there. They translate documents. They make telephone calls. They work in the translation department of telephone centers. They work there. They also work in foreign business partners, standing as correspondents, as translating correspondence for business gatherings, very big organization, for big organization. They also carry out general office and administrative tasks. They find employment in almost all sectors where they need translation. They find employment in almost all economic sectors. That means they can work in companies, they can work in the government, they can work in translation centers, they can work in shipping areas, web shipments, invoices, they can work with the custom, they can work in a lot of economic sector. That's why this career is also very interesting. Don't forget, it is 2 to 4 years. You take it full-time or part-time. 2 to 4 years, it's either full-time or part-time, and without your Mittlere Bildungsschulabschluss, you cannot get anything lower than that. You won't be admitted into this. That is your secondary school, your high school qualification leaving certificate. That is what you can use to get into this career path. Don't forget, don't give up on your careers. So this is the 6th career path under Berufe in Bureau on Secretariat. This is the 6th career path, and that is Immobilienkaufmann for the Frau. Kauffrau, real estate agent. If you're interested to go into real estate, then this is a career you would want to look into. The duration is 3 years, and it's an anerkannte Ausbildungsberuf. The duration is 3 years, and it's also an anerkannte Ausbildungsberuf. They recognize apprenticeship. They help in managing, buying, selling, or broker estates, properties, or manage lands. They help to take care of residential buildings or commercial properties. They help plan and organize construction and renovation of organization projects. They help in maintaining apartments. They help in renting out from owners to apartments. In apartments, on building management, they do repair work, for example. They also take in new tenants. They do renovation. They plan the costing, the financial concept of a new development site as well. That is what they do. The financial plans are involved as well for the rented apartments. They take care of that. They develop new areas for communities. They also work for government. They find work in construction companies. They find employment in real estate agent companies that are into development, renovation, construction of houses. They are also involved in building the society and facility management. So if you're interested in this career path where you want to manage buildings, where you want to buy buildings, where you want to broker buildings, you want to work in the bank as well, that deal with the loan in the financial aspect of the real estate, then this is a career you want to look into. It's 3 years, it's a recognized training, it's an anerkannte Ausbildungsberuf. And do you need a certificate? Yes. You have your Hauptschluss, your Hochschulreife, or your Realschulabschluss, any of those three. If you don't have a certificate, the chances is very slim. It's 1%. So if you want to go into this, your certificates, make them available. Don't give up on your careers. Don't forget, only you can stop you.